Hey guys, just want to let you know about MailZone. Now, this is a brand new email marketing software, guys, and if you're looking for an autoresponder without paying for a monthly payment, this can really help you guys out, right? With this application, guys, should be able to send unlimited emails. You can create unlimited contacts. And the best part about this, guys, it doesn't require any SMTP. So once you use this software or cloud-based application, guys, you'll be able to automatically, send unlimited emails without any restrictions. Um, you can, promote any kind of products, and this comes with, drag and drop email editor, and there's also a built-in 100 plus email template. And the best part about this, guys, is this also comes with done for you email swipes right here that you can get access as well. 100 plus done for you money making email swipes that you can also use and plug in into the system, and you can promote any kind of products that you want. And this is only like $17 for only one-time payment. All right, you don't need to pay for a monthly payment for this. All right, and if you guys wanted to pick this up using my link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna throw in some extra bonuses. That way, when you guys pick this up, yeah, you're gonna get access as well to additional value. All right. Now, I'm gonna also give you access, guys, to a coupon code that will give you access to additional $4 discount. Right? So when you guys check out your page, I'm gonna give you access to this coupon code right here, which is a mail zone early bird for right. Sorry about that. Mail zone early bird for right. It will give you additional $4 discount, right? And if you guys upgrade your account once, right? Just upgrade your account once, you'll get access to this amazing premium bonuses right here, right? You get access to video sales formula. This worth $147. And if you guys, you also get access to sales funnel mastery. This worth $197. You get access to 24-hour traffic machine worth $297. You get access to fast funnels worth $997. You get access to Affiliate Monster worth $97. You get access to Viral Ninja worth $147. You get access to Monster Software Package, which is worth of this is $497 if you guys just upgrade your account once, right? Now, here are my bonuses if you'd like to pick this up using my link. You don't need to upgrade, you don't need to purchase upsells if you wanted to get my bonuses right here. My bonus number one, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to email inboxer software. Now the value of this $77. Bonus number two, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to an unlimited email swipes. Now the value of this $97. Now this is a software that's gonna help you guys, generate, an unlimited emails that you can automatically plug in into your autoresponder. My bonus number three, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to list building profit strategy. Now, this is my unique way to build my list completely for free. So I'm gonna show you that in this bonus right here. My bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a three-in-one email marketing software, which is Syndio. I'm gonna give you access to your own Syndio account. All right, that's my bonus number four. My bonus number five, guys, I'm gonna give you access to email conversion masterclass. That's gonna help you guys out getting the high conversion and open rates into your emails. Bonus number six, guys, I'm gonna give you access to easy copywriting software. The value of this is $47. Now, this is a software that's gonna write you unique and content and articles. Bonus number seven, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to 8 mega softwares. Now, the value of this is $297. Bonus number eight, guys, is I'm gonna show you how I make 100 to 150 a day on complete autopilot. I'm gonna reveal to you guys step-by-step process on how I do this using only free traffic. My bonus number nine, guys, I'm gonna show you how to drive traffic using Pinterest, and you can promote any kind of products in any kind of niche. Alright, I'm gonna show you that in this bonus right here. Bonus number 10, guys, is I'm gonna show you guys how to drive unlimited traffic with TikTok. I'm gonna show you how to find these hidden hashtags on TikTok. That way you can siphon those videos and make those videos and convert those views rather into clicks and most especially sales, right? So I'm gonna show you that in this bonus right here. And just like I said, if you guys wanted to upgrade your account, you get access as well to these premium bonuses that worth like thousands of dollars, right? So yeah, those are all of my bonuses, and don't forget to use this coupon code right here, guys, which is MailZone Early Bird 4 to get access or to get a additional $4 discount if you guys pick this up. Alright guys, so this is the sales page of MailZone. The headline says send unlimited emails to unlimited contacts at super low one-time price. Just like I said, guys, you don't need to pay for any monthly payment for this. This can really help you. This can save you thousands of dollars every month paying your email marketing software. Alright. Now you are protected by a 30 days money back guarantee. Now if you don't like the product, you can just refund your money and still be able to get access to all of my bonuses completely free of charge. Alright, so yeah, I just watched this video right here, guys. I'm gonna play a demo video. That way you can see how this application works. That way you can have better understanding, better idea if this is something that can really help you guys out. So yeah, I think that would be in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. So I'm gonna play this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you.
Hey, good morning, my friend. This side Subhash Yadav here, and in this video, we are going to give you full depth demo about my new product called MailZone, and basically, it is cloud-based application where you can send unlimited email to your unlimited subscriber, and it is one of the world #1 autoresponder software. Okay, so if you're using this software, then you don't need to buy any other softwares. So please stay with me just 2 minutes and I will give you full depth review. So let's log in each. Okay. So we enter our name and password. So you can see we have our technical teams and developer team design very beautiful and very user friendly. So you can use very easily, and every single steps you will get instructions options where you will understand everything. Okay. So let's talk about welcome. First, you will get welcome message. And using MailZone, you'll be able to create email list, customize them indirectly, and add subscribers to create and send a limited to enjoy a very details stay area to each of your campaigns. Let's get started. Okay. So email list, in order to start sending email list, you should start by creating your first email list. So once you click on here, then you will go to and create your first email list name. Okay, your email list identify you as a sender and in your information, and allow you to take various decisions related to your subscriber. Okay, and subscribers, once your email list is created, next step is to start importing your subscriber into the email list. By the way, if you don't have subscriber, if you don't have any subscriber, then you can upload your CSV file on here. And also if you don't have, then you can use other software to generate a lots of email data for your online business. Okay, so and you can see subscribers, and next step campaigns, how you can send your campaign. Finally, after your list is created and you have added your subscriber list into, it is time to create your first campaign. You will be able to select the list want to, so you can take your time and read it. Okay, and email templates. Okay, and we have designed a lot of email templates, so we are going to close right now. Okay, so we have sent some emails previously, and you can see we have got amazing result. And you can see this is dashboard of the trackers where you can track your campaigns, your list, your subscriber, your template. Okay, which template you are using. So first of all, we are going to talk about list. So let's talk on here. You can see this is the list option where you can create your list and import your import list on your subscribers to on this software. Okay, so you can see we have mentioned the overview and copy and update and import list and archives. Okay, and delete. So if you want to create a new list, simply click on here, and you can see this is the best. We have designed very beautifully, and you can see you can put your name list like MailZone new list. Okay, and you can put a description, and so you want to put single opt-in or double opt-in, and it is depend on you. Your email, I am recommending you should use your business email. Okay, because business email gives you best delivery rate, and your business email avoid to deliver your email campaigns to your subscriber spam folder. Okay, so this is really important features. So you can see on here everything. Okay, everything is uh, unique, and also you can put your company details, and you can name and everything. Okay, so this is the one options. And second is signy subscribers and everything. So you can see if you want to import, this tool allow you to split a big list into multiple smaller ones. Please note that subscriber from the selected list will be moved into new list. Okay, so note copy, and you can see if you want to do a sign in with your other list, maybe some subscriber have, and you want to sign in with say some campaigns, then you can use this. Okay, so every single option we have add instructions, so you don't need to worry. It is very easy to use cloud-based application. Okay, and it is the best autoresponder and best user friendly. So let's talk about, once you upload the create and upload list, after then let's talk about how you can upload the list. This is very simple. You can click on here, and this is the import option, and you can click on here and import your CSV file on here. So that is super simple. If you do not have database, then you can put your customer names and everything on here. You can upload a single email. Okay, and let's talk about emails campaigns. So we have regular emails, autoresponder, group, vendor, and states, and custom tags, and everything. So by the way, if you want to send one by one email template, then you should click on here, and you can put the campaign name, new test. Okay, and choose the list. That is very simple, and click the save option. And by the way, you can put you can save and next, and you can see you can type your headline, new subject, and that is very simple. Okay, you're so unique and very simple. And you can see you can put your text on here, and you can put your text on here. This is very we have you can customize, like if you 1 minute, you look here. If you want to put a bold, you can do on here, and if you want to add the link, and then you can add any link on here. Okay, so that is very super simple. So you can use this. So once you purchase, then you will understand how you can use this option. Okay, and after then you need to do, and some you can see some tag you would not need to forget. So we will give you a full depth on inside training. Okay, and let's talk about regular training and our autoresponders. You can see, so you can set autoresponder on here, and you can set up groups and send emails, send groups, states, custom tags, abuse complaints. So you can put a keyword where you can avoid some spam emails. Okay, and email templates. So you will get category template and everything. Okay, and server. So delivery server, bounce rate, feedback loop server, servers, email box monitors, and also you can add your personal domain, and here have a training videos. Okay, and support, and done for you email save files. Okay, and API and everything. So we have done everything. Also you can see here you can manage your subscription and account on here. Okay, so this is your account and your company details, and you can list you can import and export your list. That is very super simple. Okay, and here I have some your account details. Okay, list and campaigns, and you will get some messages from our developers, and the best part is you will get full support. Okay, so I hope you understand this amazing software. So if you have any questions, then contact my support team and contact me. And if you are not by this huge cloud-based autoresponder, then go to buy now, because it is a one-time launch of launch price, and you will send unlimited email to your unlimited subscriber. And my best support team help you if you're getting problem anywhere. Okay, and we have step by step training videos about how you can use this software, and also we have a great opportunity to make a lot of money through MailZone. Okay, so this is secret trick and secret system we have created from the last 8 months. So hope this is really beneficial for you. So go to and access this, and we are meet you inside members area. So thank you, my friend, for watching this. Thank you so much.